Hi, I'm Barry Gardner from LNS, and today we're going to talk about the new Standalone Cyclone. It's all self-enclosed, the tank is underneath, super quiet, easy to move, and easy to maintain. So how to maintain it is, when the tank gets full, the pump will shut off and the red light will turn on. When you see that red light, you're going to open up the door, remove the baffles, get your sup sucker in there, clean that out. Or you can wheel this over to a tank you have in the floor or wherever. Remove these drain plugs, drain it out, clean it out, put the plug back in, and wheel it back over to where she was. And that's just one of the ways we at LNS keep you making chips so you're making money.